2018, the world's most influential media, entertainment, and technology show. 6 leading bodies are the partners behind the IBC, an event that in 2017 attracted over 57,000 attendees and 1,700 exhibitors. Hi, I'm Ashley Blankenship with InBroadcast. Joining me is Johan of G&D. Hello.
Yes, hello and welcome here at G&D.
Thank you. So for those that don't know, tell me a little bit about G&D.
Yes, G&D, we've been around for more than 30 years now. We're a German KVM manufacturer and focusing on high quality applications.
And speaking of focus, what is your focus currently?
Well, different to our former videos and interviews. We are not sitting in front of a particular application this time because in principle at G&D it's about our overall portfolio. Of course, we've got our big product launch here at IBC this year. We are launching our KVM-over-IP matrix system that we already announced at NAB. But in general, that's just the great thing as it's enhancing and completing our portfolio. So whatever a prospect needs, whatever he's looking for, we've got our classical system based on CAT and fiber transmission. We've got compressed, uncompressed. We're supporting all the relevant signals. And now, besides the dedicated cabling, we can also offer any kind of KVM over IP with extenders, supporting solutions up to 4K 60 Hz. And also with the matrix functionality now. So you've got all the comprehensive switching. We managed to move all our features from the classical matrix over to the IP matrix now. But yeah, as said, it's just one part of our overall portfolio. So whatever a prospect needs, G&D can be seen as the one-stop shop for KVM. So that's what we're here for. To provide all those solutions.
Sure, and can you talk any bit about what we can expect to see from the company in the future?
Of course, future developments will also gather around IP, further enhancement of the existing system now, and maybe a little outlook that we are also looking at supporting virtual machines that's supposed to come next year. But yeah.
Very good. And people that want to know more information, what's your website?
Of course, just visit our website at www.gdsys.de.
Okay, everyone be sure to check them out. Thank you so much, Johan.
Thank you.